y'all, today Sam's Beauty sent me this butter lace number 5 wig. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try it on. So let's go ahead and try it on now. If it looks good, I'm gonna wear it out to this party tonight. Ugh, come on, why isn't it budging? 1 second, technical difficulties. So here it is. It's pre-plucked. That's what I like to see. This is color 1B. Oh, the curls are so pretty. Oh my goodness, such a pretty curl. Alright, so this is how it comes. 2 combs on this side. Oh, they're covered. 2 combs, the lace, the edges, and the band. Oh, a comb back here, and 2 adjustable bands on. Only thing I need to do is cut the lace, so let's do that. The snip, because it's already plucked, so I'm gonna cut under the edges. Alright, that's all I had to do with this. Woo, I hope it looks cute. I really want to wear it tonight because I don't want to braid my hair yet. So I'm going to put it on backwards and clip it up. I'm going to put the comb in. So I need to do that thing, right? I just don't want it to look wiggy. Alright, so let's do that thing. Alright, y'all. So this is my first time doing this. I should not be doing this, but I'm going to do it. I know people do like this. Then they cut their ear out. So I have the Got to Be Glued spray. Got to Be Glued blasting free spray. Screaming hold for hair. That's what it says. Okay, y'all ready? Oh, I'm supposed to put the edges back, right? My natural edges. Let's do this. I at least want this part glued. Let me make sure it works. Oh, it works. Okay, ready? Is it supposed to be this? I don't know. Ah! Oh my goodness, why would I do this? Okay. Oh my goodness. My edge. They're gonna come out, y'all. All this for a wig? Come on. I hope I ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm supposed to let this dry, right? I done seen so many videos on Instagram. I feel like I can do this without looking back at a video. Oh, it smells like glue. Ugh, it smells like alcohol. I got a fan. Ain't this what you're supposed to do? I don't know. I know they be doing this, like making sure it's flat. I really just need this part, for real. The rest of the hair can be covered. It was tacky, now it's drying. Maybe I can cut now. Yeah, it's stuck. Alright, let's cut. Y'all, I really did it. This thing gonna come right off. Now the ear, I can just do this, right? It dried in like 2 seconds, like a whole second, but it's bending back. All right, let's hurry up. All right, so the ears, I'm gonna just do that. And then sometimes I see people spray it again, so I'm gonna do that. Now, hopefully this ain't hurting me. Did I put it down too low, y'all? I don't really care about down here. I just care about what the part's gonna look like. Alright, I'll just hold it. Oh my goodness. Alright, now let's put the wig on. I feel like going back. Okay, how does this look, y'all? You can see the lace only if you're up close. Alright, I know I want it down that low, but let me put the hair back. We're gonna get our tools. Clip that back. Okay, I don't want none of this stuff to show. Oh, it's glued down. Oh, look, I ain't touching it. Y'all gonna have to show me how to loosen it up and take it off. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right here. This is where my forehead gonna start. Alright, right here. I'm supposed to spray, right? How did I even do this? If this one goes right, I'll get more that look cute and natural. I love this one. It looks so cute. Alright, I think I did good. That's stuck, so let's go ahead and do this one. It smells like water ice, and then it smells like alcohol. Oh, so I sprayed it, and then I'm like smoothing it down. I'm smoothing the edges too down. Oh, 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 not the eye, not the eye, honey. I thought it was leaking into my eyes. Just smoothing. Alright, y'all, so that's one side. It actually looks good in person. Now see why y'all be doing these wigs. Please don't spray your eye. Please, I'm talking to myself, y'all. Right there. Dab it in. They be doing this. Alright, and then this side. Right here. Ready? I got it just in case it went in my eye. I didn't know if it did. So much we do for beauty. Let's see how we looking. Can y'all tell it's a lace? Alright, now I'm pulling down the edges that came with it. People usually swoop them and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna pull them all down. I think the lace is on tight, but I'm gonna do one more spray. Yeah, y'all, it's helping, it's helping. Alright, now I'm about to start laying wigs. I'm about to start laying wigs for a living. Watch out, hairstylist, I'm coming. Alright. Woo, 23 minutes. Look at that, done in 23 minutes. Let's take the clips off. Ooh, hey, look at your girl. Yo. I really just did with the edges. I mean, a wig. Or I need to tighten the reinforce. Ooh, hold on, y'all, I can't see. But yeah, I need to readjust this. Y'all, I had to tighten it. Alright, so the edges, let them curl and do whatever. I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the wig, the hair. Just finger fluff it. Finger fluffing towards the front so that it's voluminous. I want it like a little bit flatter. I don't know how I could do that. Alright, so let me lay the edges. I'm going to put some spray on the brush. Ladies things. My finger here. That's how I do mine. We gotta curl them all the way. Alright, so I laid the edges. I think, yeah, this part needs to be ruffled. Alright, the wig is on! Yay! I just don't like how flat it is right here. I wish it was more curlier. This is how it looks from afar. About to wear this to the party. Yeah, so this is what I did with the edges. Swoop them. Swoop. I feel like those look the best in this situation. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it back like right here. Cause it's like in my face. Yeah, I better not flame my edges. I sound so old. So I'm gonna pull that down. Try to get that to conceal some stuff. I look cute. Like a doll. I put 2. Oh yeah, I look like a baby doll. Okay, so this is it. I love this wig. This is my first time applying some glue on a lace. I'm scared of how the edges are gonna look afterwards. I don't know how you take it out. I saw that alcohol you use to take it out, but I'm gonna try with maybe an oil. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, y'all, what y'all think? Thank you, Sam Beauty, for sending me this cute wig. Hey. Now I'm about to get dressed for the party. The party. I don't know why I said it like that. If you're interested in this wig, check out the link below. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.